sailing vessel coming. Please repeat your message over.
Please, we need help. We don't have more engine, water in the beach, and problem with the rudder. We cannot steering.
Roger, copy that. Roger, stand by please, over.
Woi, 1.0.
Kemana dia ini?
Oh, udah parkir.
Stop engine.
Stop engine.
What is the distance? 50.
Engine dah slow ya.
Stop engine.
Stop engine. Engine stop.
Roger. For 0.
Speed 2.5.
Hard starboard.
Hard starboard. Hard starboard wheel on sir.
Dead slow, Aston.
That's slow Aston. Engine that's slow Aston.
Roger, copy that.
Ay, nyampe.
Kejauhan. Udah hard starboard.
Engine that's slow Aston kali.
Yes. Speed info.
Speed 1.5.
Kita punya haluan selalu cari angin.
Engine stop.
Dead slow head.
That's slow head.
Sudah mundur itu.
Engine that's slow head.
Nanti kita punya tali kasih di haluan dia ya supaya jangan rusak dia punya bot. Bukan, itunya di depan. Salah. Itu di depan sana supaya kapalnya sandar di pilot ladder. Itu tali itu udah benar di depan sana supaya dia nyandarnya di pilot ladder. Nah, itu udah. Udah di railing aja. That's slow Aston.
That's slow Aston.
Kalau kita mundur nanti tarik itu ya talinya.
Speed 1.2. Harusnya ada video kayak itu. Engine that's slow Aston kan? Stop engine. Stop engine. Engine stopping.
Engine stop.
Oh, merapat juga dia. Benar.
Orang turun dulu, pergi ikat tali. Sambil tali ini tarik tali yang nanti kena propeller kita.
Harus ada tali buat itu, buat angkat barang-barang.